Best full shade plants for your garden. Bloomerang Purpink Reblooming Lilac. If you are hunting for a reblooming lilac that has a wonderful scent, then the Bloomerang Purpink Reblooming Lilac is hard to beat. Loaded with scent, it produces stunning purple to pink blooms that seem to change between the two colors depending on when you look at it. Double Take trademark Eternal White Quince. Double Take Eternal White Quince, Chaenomeles speciosa, is a deciduous low-growing shrub known for its white double blooms. Its delicate double flowers start out light lime green and gradually turn bright white. Interstella Lily of the Valley Shrub. Interstella Lily of the Valley Shrub is one of those plants that blooms early as soon as spring arrives, bringing joy to gardeners who are tired of being cooped up all winter. Keepsake Mountain Laurel. The Keepsake Mountain Laurel boasts delicate flowers that bloom in the spring. Deep red cup-shaped flowers have white accents along the edges and specks of white near the center. Little Henry Sweetspire. The Little Henry Sweetspire appears to have it all. It will give you a stunning show for seasons. The unique fragrant blooms appear early in the summer with its foliage changing from green to oranges and reds in the fall. Luminary Sunset. Coral Tall Garden Phlox. Luminary Sunset. Coral Tall Garden Phlox is a great mid-sized plant for the garden border. The shocking orange flowers cover sturdy, dense stems from early to late summer. PJM Elite Rhododendron. The PJM Elite Rhododendron is a welcome sight when it starts to bloom around late April. Large clusters of frilly lavender flowers with slight hints of plum are beautiful and make for an excellent specimen of rhododendron blooms. Raspberry Splash Lungwort. Are you looking for a ground cover plant for a shady area? The Raspberry Splash Lungwort is the plant for you. It will bring color to your yard and is easy to care for. It has been proven to be very disease-resistant and has many uses to meet all of your needs. Samaritan Joe Clematis. Samaritan Joe Clematis is one of the popular boulevard series that has been bred to give summer-long blooms. Samaritan Joe have delicate silvery petals edged in purple that will seem to glow alongside other summer bloomers. Sugar Tina Crystallina Summersweet. You know, a plant like Sugar Tina Crystallina Summersweet that has two sweet words in its name must smell wonderful. This Sugar Tina has fragrant white flowers that appear by midsummer. Explore best full shade plants for your garden. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.